Hello everybody, this is Kimmy from CommentExporter.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to simply export Facebook comments to Excel. First thing you will need to do is that copy post URL. Next, place it at www.commentexporter.com. You can test to export comment completely free, up to 300 comments. I'm gonna click export comment. So now our request for exporting are processing.
Okay, looks like it is done.
Let's go ahead and click download comment.
You will get .xls format or Excel format. Look at the data. As you can see, all public comments from the post were exported successfully. If you have any questions, drop them into the comment section below or message at Comment Exporter Facebook fan page.